Hello everyone, welcome to the video on installation of Dave C++ and configuring it with OpenGL to execute computer graphics programs. Now this entire process involves three stages. The first stage is to install the Dave C++ compiler. Then the second stage is to put these files in the specified location. So you can see there are three files with the name glut, glut32, libglut. So glut basically stands for graphics library utility toolkit. So this one is the header file, and this is the libglut32.a is the library file, and this one is the DLL file. So these three files need to be put at the appropriate locations. So this is the second stage, and the third stage is, and the final stage is to configure the compiler. So first we'll start with the stage 1, that is installing the Dave C++. So here I'll be installing the Dave C++ 5.4.1. so this is the 32-bit version I'm installing here. The 64-bit version is also available, but I prefer to install the 32-bit version as we will be running the OpenGL programs, which are the console application programs, and it requires us to install the 32-bit version of Dave C++. So here is the installation file. So let us begin the installation. It is very simple. Just double click on this setup file. So the installation has started. Okay, so here keep the language option as English by default and click OK. Now in this license agreement page, just click on this I agree button. Now here the type of installation, by default it is selected to be full. Now keep it as it is, don't change. Okay, do not make any changes here. Just click on this next button. Okay, so by default it will take the installation path under program files x86/davecpp. So keep this destination folder path as it is. Okay, so one thing you should note here is this Dave C++ will be installed under program files x86. So in 64-bit operating systems you can find the folders by the name program files of two types. One is program files x86 and one is just program files. So this Dave C++ will be installed under program files x86. Now click on this install button to begin installation. Okay, so within no time the installation will begin and it will finish. Okay, the installation is about to finish. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, so it is almost done. Now here you will get a dialog box asking you to give the permission for this Dave C++ to be available for all the users on this computer. So for this click S. Okay, so keep this option checked so that you can run the Dave C++ once this finish button is clicked. Okay, so now the Dave C++ will run for the first time, and here there are some first time configurations which should be done. So here keep this language as English by default. Just click on this next button. Then here it will show you the font style and the icon styles which will be used in the Dave C++ IDE. Keep them default. Just click on this next button, and here it will show some caching options. So again, don't change anything here, just click on next button. then finally click on this OK. Okay, so the Dev C++ IDE is open now, and here you just click on this close button, this tip. So since there are no files or projects open, so nothing is visible now. Now what we will do, I'll open a OpenGL program and try to run the program. We'll see what exactly will happen. Okay, here I have some example programs which I'll open. Okay, so this is an OpenGL program which I'll try to run. You can see here it will show the error glut.h, no such file or directory. Okay, so the header file is not being located because the header file is right now not available. Okay, so in the second stage, okay, we'll copy and paste these files at the appropriate location. So first I'll copy this glut.h header file. So go to copy, then go to program files, x86, there go to dev cpp, then in that you will find a subdirectory by the name Ming JW32. So open that. There you will find another directory by the name include, then GL, and there you paste. So click on continue. Okay, so by this we have pasted the glut header file. Now we have to take the library file, so click on this libglut32.a, then copy. Okay, then go to program files, x86, dev cpp, then Ming GW32, then lib, then here you paste. Click on continue. Okay, it is done. Now finally we have to take the DLL file. So copy this DLL file and go to C drive, Windows, then system32. You will find a directory by the name system32. Okay, and here you paste. And also you paste the DLL file under Windows, paste. Okay, now by this we have completed putting the OpenGL files at the appropriate locations. Now come back to this Dev C++ which I have minimized. Now again try to rerun the program. Now this time you will get the errors like this. So undefined reference to glut with exit, undefined reference to create window. So there are errors, there are linking errors which you will get now. To resolve this, we have to go for the third stage where we have to configure the Ming compiler. So that is very simple. Go to this tools option, tools, there you will find compiler options, the first one in the menu. Click on this compiler options. a window will appear like this. In this, you check this option. Okay, add the following commands when calling the compiler. So check this option, and here you write 3 commands, very simple commands. Hyphen L glue 32, then space hyphen L glut 32, then space hyphen L open GL 32. Okay, remember 3 commands. You can write these commands somewhere in the notebook or in a notepad. Hyphen L glue 32, space hyphen L glut 32, space hyphen L open GL 32. Okay, remember to prefix hyphen for each of these commands. It is hyphen L glue 32, a single space, then hyphen L glut 32, a single space, then hyphen L open GL 32. So after writing these 3 commands, click on this OK button. Now the compiler is configured. Now click on this compile and run. See, the program is running. Okay, let us run the fan. Yes, the fan is running. Let me change the color. Let me change the speed. Okay. So this is how you can install Dev C++ and you can configure the OpenGL to run the OpenGL programs. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.